Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass. Today's lesson. 10 most used phrasal verbs. Turn on. To activate something, like a device or a light. Example, please, turn on the television. Turn off. To deactivate or stop something. Example, don't forget to turn off the lights when you leave.
Look up. To search for information. Example, I'll look up the address on the internet.
Look after. To take care of someone or something. Example, she looked after her young brother while their parents were away.
Go on. To continue or proceed. Example, the meeting went on longer than expected.
Take off. To remove something, or to depart, for planes. Example 1. Please, take off your shoes before entering the house. Example 2. The plane will take off in 10 minutes. Put on. To wear something. Example, he put on her coat before going outside.
Get up. To rise from bed or a sitting position. Example, I usually get up at 7 a.m. every morning.
Set up. To arrange or establish something. Example, they set up a new business together.
Call off. To cancel something. Example, they called off the picnic due to bad weather.
Did you like this video? What about subscribing the channel?